Hi there, welcome to British Medical Language Center, where you can learn English lots more. Today I'm here not just talking about English language, I'm here to talk about your dreams, our dreams. It means where to and where not to put your dreams, and how will you bring back your dreams if you just lost it. So here is the great thing to make you understand. Suppose you wanted to be a footballer. Unfortunately or fortunately, you couldn't be. It doesn't mean that you are a failure, a super failure. No. You were on the wrong direction. Now you are to the right direction. How? Oh my God, you just think, yes, what I have got right now this is the great and fantastic idea to be. Whatever I wanted to be, that was my wrong decision. But right here, yes, you got the point. Now you have got the real passion. Forget about your past dreams. Think what you are just thinking right now. Many people just claiming themselves and blaming themselves that, oh, I wanted to be a footballer, but I couldn't be. Come on, young man. Understand. Realize yourself why you couldn't be the footballer, because that wasn't your profession, that wasn't your passion. Now you want to be a doctor. Yes, this is your passion, so work on this and try to be a fantastic doctor, world famous doctor. Suddenly you find out again, oh no, oof, I made a mistake again. I wanted to be an engineer, but I couldn't be. Wait. You couldn't be, it doesn't mean that was your 100% right decision. Now you can change the dream. Now you think, oh yes, I want to be a lawyer. Well, work on this and find out the passion and just work. And only work will never and ever help you to be what you wanted to be. Find out the passion and work smartly. And just by doing this, you can be whatever you wanted to be. Another thing is that, and some people, they are just claiming themselves that, oh, what people will think about me. Come on, man, listen to, who cares who you are? Just care who you are. No one can give you the thing you need. Nothing will happen around you until you make it happen. Of course, something will happen around you. Those things would be unexpected things for you. So, show about yourself, know about yourself, care about yourself, care about your bank account, care about your situation, where you are. Do you want to change yourself? Yes. So change. Don't wait for others. No one can help you on the planet who live around you except you. Believe me, except you. You only can help yourself. So my humble request to you all, whatever you are doing is correct. Realize yourself and think yourself, yes, I have to make it happen. Whatever the people are talking about you, who cares? If you can do it, well, you will be whatever you wanted to be. Only just doing this, you can be. Otherwise, you might face thousands of problems. Just think, rethink, realize, and re-realize. Yes, you are what you are. Don't care who are talking about you, who are talking against you, because it's your dream and you have to make it happen. You have to bring back your dreams in your hand, and it's possible for you. Yes, let me repeat, it's damn possible to bring back your dreams, believe me. But you have to work hard, and work should be smart as well. Otherwise, you will face the same problem as you faced. By the way, if you just watching and listening this video, I think you got the point what I meant, right? So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, of course you can share with your friends, those who are struggling for bringing back their dreams in the reality, that they can be very happy within a very short time. So guys, be happy and be healthy. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.